A bountiful harvest, the story of the banana. From the lush tropical rainforests to your table, the journey of the banana is a testament to nature's ingenuity. This humble fruit, a staple food for millions, thrives in the world's warmest regions, its life cycle a delicate dance of sun, soil and water. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of banana cultivation, uncovering the secrets to a bountiful harvest. Whether you're an experienced cultivator or a novice gardener, our guide will equip you with the tools and understanding to cultivate this remarkable fruit. Let the journey begin. A world of variety. Choosing your banana. Our journey begins with a crucial decision, selecting the ideal banana variety. From the ubiquitous Cavendish to the compact Dwarf, each variety boasts unique characteristics, each adapted to specific climates and soil conditions. Consider your local environment. Does it experience scorching sun or frequent rainfall? Are you blessed with rich, fertile soil or a more challenging terrain? Gardeners in drier regions might favor the drought-tolerant Dwarf Cavendish, its compact size ideal for smaller plots. Seek advice from experienced growers in your area, tapping into their wisdom to discover varieties uniquely suited to your region's nuances. Remember, a thriving banana plant begins with choosing the right variety, one in harmony with its surroundings. Preparing the cradle, nurturing the soil. With our chosen variety in hand, we turn our attention to the foundation of a thriving banana plant, the soil. Like any living organism, the banana craves a nutrient-rich environment, a fertile cradle in which to flourish. Begin by selecting a site bathed in sunlight, for the banana thrives on the sun's energy. Ensure the soil drains well, preventing waterlogging that can suffocate the plant's roots. Prepare the land with care, gently tilling the soil to break up compacted earth and remove any competing weeds. Enrich this canvas with life by incorporating organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure. By investing time and care in this initial preparation, you lay the groundwork for a vibrant and productive banana plant. Planting the seed, giving life to your banana. The time has come to introduce our chosen banana variety to its new home. Whether using healthy suckers, offshoots from mature plants or tissue-cultured specimens, the principles of planting remain the same. Dig spacious holes, approximately 2 feet deep and 1.5 feet wide, ensuring ample room for the roots to spread and anchor the plant. Backfill these holes with the nutrient-rich soil prepared in the previous stage, creating a welcoming bed for your banana. Maintain a respectful distance between each plant, spacing them 5 to 7 feet apart. Water your newly planted banana generously, ensuring the soil settles around the roots and eliminates any air pockets. Chapter 4. The Elixir of Life. Mastering Irrigation. Hailing from tropical regions, the banana thrives in consistently moist soil. Mastering the art of irrigation is crucial to ensuring a healthy and productive plant. Drip irrigation, a method that delivers water directly to the roots, proves highly effective, minimizing water waste and promoting optimal growth. If this system isn't feasible, regular watering is essential, particularly during dry periods. Observe your plants closely, feeling the soil regularly to gauge its moisture level. Aim for a consistently moist environment, but be wary of overwatering. Adjust your irrigation schedule based on your local climate and the specific needs of your plants. Chapter 5. A Nourishing Feast, Fertilizing Your Banana. Just as we require a balanced diet to thrive, so too does the banana plant need a regular supply of essential nutrients. Fertilization, a key element in our journey towards a bountiful harvest, provides these vital elements. Organic compost, rich in a diverse array of nutrients, forms the foundation of our fertilization program. Supplement this natural bounty with NPK fertilizers, ensuring a steady supply of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Potassium in particular plays a crucial role in fruit development, enhancing the size, flavor, and overall quality of your bananas. Avoid over-fertilization, as this can damage the plant's roots and hinder its growth. Chapter 6. Guardians of the Grove, Protecting Your Banana from Pests and Diseases. Our journey now takes us into the realm of vigilance, for even with the best care, our banana plants may face threats from pests and diseases. By understanding these potential adversaries, we can implement effective strategies to safeguard our crop. Banana weevils, notorious for their destructive appetites, can wreak havoc on a plantation. Nematodes, microscopic worms that attack the roots, pose another significant threat. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of infestation, looking for wilting leaves, stunted growth, or visible pests. Should infestations occur, consider organic pesticides as a last resort, choosing options that minimize harm to beneficial insects and the environment. Chapter 7. Shaping Success, Propping and Pruning Your Banana. As our banana plants grow taller and heavier with fruit, they become vulnerable to strong winds that can topple them over. Propping, a simple yet effective technique, provides crucial support, ensuring our plants remain upright and productive. Bamboo stakes, readily available and environmentally friendly, make excellent props. Drive the stakes firmly into the ground near the base of the plant, taking care not to damage the roots. Gently tie the plant to the stake using soft material, preventing chafing or constriction. Pruning, another essential practice, involves removing excess suckers that drain energy from the main plant. Trim away any dry or diseased leaves, as these can harbor pests and diseases. Our journey now reaches a pivotal moment, a testament to the banana plant's remarkable life cycle: the emergence of the flower. 6 to 8 months after planting, depending on the variety and growing conditions, the flower emerges at the end of a long stalk, slowly descending from the heart of the plant. As the flower unfurls, it reveals rows of small, finger-like projections, each destined to become a banana. Once fruit formation begins, a fascinating strategy can further enhance yield, removing the male flower. This measure redirects the plant's energy towards fruit development, resulting in larger, more robust bananas. Covering the bunches with plastic bags provides a barrier against insects, birds, and excessive sun or rain. After months of patient nurturing, the moment of truth arrives: the harvest. Knowing when to harvest your bananas is crucial, ensuring optimal flavor and texture. Unlike many fruits that ripen on the plant, bananas reach their peak flavor after harvesting. Look for bunches with plump, light green bananas, their edges beginning to round out. Using a sharp knife or machete, carefully cut the bunch from the plant, taking care not to damage the stem. Once harvested, your bananas will continue to ripen, their green skin gradually turning yellow. Store them in a cool, shaded place, allowing nature to work its magic and transform them into the sweet, flavorful treat we all know and love. Our journey doesn't end with the harvest. Proper post-harvest handling ensures our bananas retain their quality and freshness, reaching their destination in pristine condition. Keep harvested bananas in a cool, shaded area, away from direct sunlight and heat, which can accelerate ripening. Good ventilation is crucial, preventing the buildup of moisture that can lead to fungal growth and spoilage. Carefully inspect the bunches, removing any damaged or overripe bananas. Sort the remaining bananas by size and ripeness, preparing them for transport or storage. By following these simple yet effective post-harvest practices, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor, savoring the sweet taste of success with every bite. As we conclude our journey through the banana's life cycle, we're reminded of the intricate dance between nature and human ingenuity. By understanding and respecting the banana plant's needs, we ensure a bountiful harvest, a testament to the power of sustainable cultivation. To guarantee future generations can enjoy this remarkable fruit, we must prioritize soil health, rotating crops every few years to prevent nutrient depletion. Planting legumes or nitrogen-fixing plants nearby naturally replenishes the soil, creating a virtuous cycle of growth and abundance. So go forth, armed with the knowledge and passion to cultivate your own banana paradise. May your harvests be plentiful, your fruit sweet, and your journey filled with the joy of nurturing life from the ground up.